Today we are in the province of the Northwest, Kocha district ya Ruth Mompati, Mamusa local municipality, Koswaz-Renek, to hand over a multimedia center that has been sponsored and made possible by the MTNSA Foundation.
Good day, my name is Cecilia Mabone. I'm a social work supervisor in the Department of Social Development in Mamusa Service Point. We are at Ipelegen Community Care Center in Ipelegen location in Mamusa local municipality. At Ipelegen Community Center, we are providing services to different beneficiaries. We are providing the program called HIV and AIDS. We are doing the prevention programs.
This is an HIV prevention center. If you never knew where the community care centers come from, Mayor, they started to try and raise awareness on HIV. That is why rural communities are getting these big, beautiful centers. It's because we wanted to make sure that HIV prevention stays on the agenda. So, some belief, there's nothing as embarrassing as trying to get a condom. Me, I've seen. You come, you get to the till, we all waiting there, and you're like, I want the condoms. And then you first look around, condoms, please. And our cashier's like, what about the condom? And everybody looks around. So we want to take the shame out of the condom, out of the sex. So it's okay, guys. The same way you wear your mask for COVID, just wear your mask down there.
And as well as we are doing we are having a men's launch where we provide services to men and boys. And also we are doing community nutrition where we are providing cooked meals to our community members who are deprived or disadvantaged, who are having anything to eat during the day.
And I like it because organizations such as these ones are providing statutory services. So we need to try, we're giving them 1.5 million, but we've just added the computer lab. We've just added the men's lounge. So as we add the different programs, let us also be conscious, they cannot make people but double up.
Today we are launching a computer lab for our youth in Ipelege. We'll be providing them with the computer skills so that they can stand for themselves and be employable, especially those who are deprived or are orphan and vulnerable children who are not working and having anything that they can go to further their studies.
My name is Refilo Sifuti, and this center means a lot to me because it will help us a lot and will have a computer skills, and it will help our community, our children, our fathers and mothers, brothers. They will know a lot about internet and many things. I'm not working. I've been looking for a job for many years. It's been 4 years now.
We're handing over this to the community care center as part of our program, a social development on prevention of social ills. So the computer lab will be utilized by the whole community. Hence, it's in a community care center and not necessarily in a school, because the children, all the schools around the center, young people, older persons, children in ECD, entrepreneurs, all of those members of the community that requires access to a multimedia center will be able to utilize it. As we move into the digital age, rural communities are not left out, that they are able to also interact with what is happening in the country visually. They can participate in webinars, they can actually be heard visually. It comes with connectivity for the next 24 months, which will enable our children to access computers, but also it is loaded with our comprehensive digital content from grade R to matric. This is just to show you, we are not connected to the internet, Mayor, but all the digital books from grade R to matric are loaded. So whether it's history, it's biology, it's maths, it's here. So it will also be serving as a catch-up space where young people can come and catch up with work that they have done and what they have lost in the community, but also on the days when COVID was making sure that our kids lost school time. Now they will be able to gain, but it also will serve as a support for the matriculants in terms of revision, because here they are able to interact. So we just improving services in our community care centers that we are rolling out throughout the country.
The computer lab is a donation from MTN SA through the help of our Deputy Minister, Honorable Hendrietta Bogopane-Zulu, is the one that brought us the computer lab here, and is the one who was lobbying this from the MTN SA.
Social development has a public-private partnership with MTN SA Foundation.
My name is Atamukuwa. I work for MTN SA Foundation. I've been employed for MTN by over 10 years.
I'm Dr. Hutile Khosibazi, the Mayor Speaker of Mamusa Local Municipality. We are here today to hand over the Multimedia Center at Bogopane-Zulu with the Deputy Minister, Bogopane-Zulu.
So today, here at Bogopane Center, Community Center, as MTN, in terms of our engagements in communities, we engage on such a thing called a collaboration, active collaboration, whereby we engage with relevant stakeholders actually in terms of implementing community interventions that build communities for self-sustenance. And the DC Learning Center that you're seeing behind me today, this is one of the centers that we have identified through the partnership with the Deputy Minister's Office, which is the Hendrietta Bogopane-Zulu, where we have identified this community. But again, even though we have identified this community with the Deputy Minister's Office, which is the social development space, we engage with the people that are on the ground, people that really understand the community, the dynamics within the community. This is LISEDI, the community, the NGO that we have partnered with to make sure that today's event is a success.
And we are here today celebrating also with the MTN as the investors. We are honored because usually as the political heads from various departments, they used to come to the communities and make promises. And at the ultimate end, there is nothing tangible. So I want to honor and say to the Deputy Minister Bogopane-Zulu to say, as Mamusa municipality, we are honored and we are happy.
As Minister said, Deputy Minister said, when we get our certificate, computer certificate, we can go and look for work with those certificates. And the minister, she gave us a big opportunity. We are thankful.